Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to your English class. Children, in our last class, I have taught you AT sound CVC words. You remember that? Let's have a quick revision of few of those words. Bat, cat, rat, mat, hat and fat. So children, today I am going to teach you few more CVC words with the sound of ag. A-G, ag. A-G, ag. Okay, so let's start.
B, ag, bag. B, ag, bag. R, ag, rag. R, ag, rag. T, ag, tag. T, ag, tag. V, ag, wag. V, ag, wag. The dog's tail wag to and for. Children, now with the help of an activity, let's read some more ag words. B, A, G, bag. B, ag, bag. R, ag, rag. T, ag, tag. W, ag, wag. S, ag, sag. N, ag, nag. P, ag, bag. Z, ag, zag. Children, you can also do this activity at your home and practice ag words. Now let's move towards our book, English workbook. Children, now we will read ag words. A-G, ag words. R, ag, rag. T, ag, tag. B, ag, bag. V, ag, wag. Here some more words are given. Let's read them also. Bag, lag, nag, rag, sag, tag, wag, zag. Children, in this way you will read these ag words in your English workbook on page number 2. So children, now we will see how to write ag words in our notebook. So first of all, we will write the heading A, G, ag words. So first we will draw the object and then we will write the name. Okay. So now I am drawing a bag. This become our bag. B, A, G, bag. Then this is rag. R, A, G, rag. This become our tag. When you buy something, then we get this kind of tag, right? T, A, G, tag. And then This is our flag. Kids, flag also have AG words. So I'm writing flag now. F L A G, flag. In this way, you will write this AG words in your notebook and then share the picture with your ma'am. Thank you.